Welcome everybody. My name is Ankur Chawla, and on behalf of Crusaders Technologies, I'm over here to present to you our very innovative product, the Digital InkPad Model TO1. Now, with the live demonstration, I'll be explaining to you how this product can benefit you in your day-to-day activities. Now, as we can see in the carry case that we give you along with this product, we have the digital notepad, extra refills for the pen, the digital ink pen, the batteries, the data cable, and the 2 software CDs. Now this is your A4 size digital pad having a 32 MB inbuilt memory, extendable up to 2 GB with the help of a normal SD memory card. Now when we switch on the device, we power it on from here, and the moment we do so, we get a digital display here. Now in the display, you can see it is showing you A01, which means it is having A to Z 26 folders, each folder consisting of 99 pages inbuilt. So altogether 2574 pages inbuilt in the memory of the device. Moving on, you can see that we have a blank page here. That means whatever we write here will be digitally stored in a soft copy A01 page. As you can see, the hotkeys or the navigation keys are over here. The first 2 keys are for up and down. Then there is a key for a fresh page or a fresh folder, the delete key to delete the contents, and the folder key to change the folder. Now this digital pen, as you can see, is using a normal ballpoint pen metal refill, which can easily be removed like this. And you can see this metal refill is easily available in any stationery shop. It goes back into the pen and you click this device and it's ready to use. Now as you can see, it's a very lightweight device and you can carry it in your hand anywhere. And wherever you're sitting, without being connected to the computer, you can start writing. As you can see, I have written a very short note for you on A01. Now, after writing n number of pages like this, you can go back to your computer, connect this device with the USB cord, and you can upload all your handwriting samples onto the computer and even change them into complete text format or a Word document. Now, for this next segment, we have already connected our digital notepad to the computer with the help of the USB cable. The softwares have been preloaded, and now we will see the notepad in action. Now, as you can see, when we had written in the offline mode, we had written in A4 size. Now, the moment we get connected and we are on the online mode, this pad starts working in the landscape mode. Now, and this pen will start working like a wireless mouse. You can see the movement happening on the screen over here. The first software that opens automatically will be My Ink. The folders are over here, visible. We go to the A folder. We had written on A01. We double click and we are able to see our own handwritten data. We can select this check mark and go on to the file type and choose any of these file types extensions to save our own handwriting. Let's say even if we want to do it in an ink PDF, go on and choose the destination as C desktop and press convert. It says converted file successfully. Would you like to launch the application? We press yes. And as you can see over here, our handwriting has become a PDF file. Whatever I am doing in this particular device is like using this as a mouse pad or a digital tablet, and this becoming a wireless mouse. Moving on to the next application, MyScript Notes. This application allows you to convert your handwriting into digitally typed text. For that, we go to Open. We get the A folder here. We select A01, Open, and our handwriting is on the left side of this particular software. Now to convert this, we just have to press this button, Conversion, Current Page, Rich Text, English US, Natural Handwriting. We press OK, and the conversion takes place. As you can see, it is exactly converted in 100% accuracy. Now, with the click of a button, we can take it to a Word file. This becomes our Word file. So no need of cut, copy, paste or retyping. We've also provided you over here with an ink editor. We can choose an eraser over here, rub and rewrite in our own handwriting. Press update. The change has taken place. The moment we convert this again, Ankur goes away and Crusaders has arrived. Also, you can have your recognition profile or a training given to the software which allows it to understand your handwriting the way you write an A, a I or any other alphabet. The moment we have a recognition profile, it will show your name. Right now, this was using a default profile. To create a recognition profile, we go to Conversion, Recognition Training, and this application of a MyScript Note trainer opens up. We select Next. You can have your name over here, any of the languages that you would like to train it in. We prefer English US. Next. You can take a printout of this instruction set. Next. You can take a printout of this page as well. These 6 paragraphs need to be written in 6 digital pages in the offline mode. You can upload your handwriting samples in A01, A02, A03, A04, A05 and A06. Or you can choose any other folder for that matter. Once the training is done and you've loaded your 6 paragraphs, it will start matching your handwriting samples. The way you write an I, an H, an A, it will understand. And after that, it will give you 100% accuracy. You need not be connected to the computer when you're writing this. Now moving on to the third application, which is the Office Ink. As you can see over here, we've got a small panel and we've got a Word file in the background. Now to show you the advantages of what this software can do, we select any color, we click on this button and this allows our pen to work like a pen itself. I can highlight any particular point in the Word document. I can cut it, give a comment like we usually do on our note sheets, and give a e-signature. The moment I press W, this entire thing becomes a part of the Word file. We can email this, send it to anybody. They can understand what we want as the change. Even if the other person does not have the software, he can easily select this and edit it and do the required changes. Office Ink software allows you to do the same kind of handwriting changes on your Excel files. Also, make PPTs in your own handwriting. So this enables you to work with any office document. These are the advantages of this particular software. Gives you an eraser, a pen, a brush and a marker, and various other color options. For this next application, our setup includes of a projector connected to our laptop, connected to our digital notepad. Now, we'll be dimming the lights for you to have a better view of how this application works, and we'll be focusing on the screen and also showing you how our digital notepad can work like an interactive presentation device. Now in this next segment, we'll be comparing the ever popular interactive boards with our digital notepads. Now what happens when you use an interactive board? Imagine a conference room or a classroom scenario. You have a PPT to explain certain parts. And imagine this being an interactive board. The rest of the setup, the projector and the laptop, remains exactly the same. When the presenter works on the interactive board, he comes in between the projector and the board, therefore casting a shadow straight on the board and blocking the view of the audience as long as he's there. The moment he turns back, 2500 lumens straight into his eyes. One big problem. Problem number 2. When we start working on the interactive board, you must have seen we have to calibrate, 9-point calibration generally. And the calibration keeps going off after 35-45 minutes. Another issue, because the continuity is gone. Our data, which we've worked upon in 35 to 45 minutes, chances of losing that very high. And overall, a very irritating feeling the presenter gets. Now imagine the digital notepad. You can be facing the audience, you can be interacting with the audience while everything happens at the back end. And you can have the exact same experience plus the portability in 1/10 of the price. So with our digital notepad, you can be using the same interactive board features. This panel allows you to choose a pen, highlight any section of the PPT, and not even come between the projector and the presentation and directly facing the audience. You can tick mark a particular section, you can go on to the next slide, you can highlight this, you can go to the whiteboard and go have a detailed explanation in Hindi, take a fresh board, draw something, the previous page remains. So you've got n number of whiteboards, similarly n number of blackboards. You can go back to your PPT at any point of time, again highlight, choose a different color, go on to the next slide and tick mark or star mark. You can also be recording the same thing because there are chances that you will have to give the same presentation 10 times. You'll have to do the same thing again and again? No need. Now what we've done over here is done a real-time recording of whatever presentation seminar I was giving to you right now. Now I've pressed stop. Now we need to play back the entire recording. So we press play. We press play once again. Now my hands are free. As you can see, I'm not doing anything. It's all happening on its own. So I can keep the pad aside. I can interact with you. I can have a complete interaction, and while the same thing that I've done is playing in the background. I can pause and stop the presentation anytime I want. Exactly the same hand movements. So even if you have to do the same thing 10 times over and over again, you don't need to be really carrying either your laptop or this board anywhere. You can be storing the same presentation in the pad because the pad has 32 MB inbuilt memory.